Hello everyone, today in FatimAlieu's kitchen, once again the youngest are in charge. Today we'll be making pancakes. Anyways, let's go into the video. The first step is to crack 1 or 2 eggs into a large mixing bowl. And then add sugar. And then whisk. Now we're going to add 3/4 cups of milk. And then we're going to whisk. Now we're going to add 1 cup of flour, all-purpose, 3/4 cups of baking soda, and 1/4 cup of salt. And then we sift that. And then you whisk. And finally, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. And it should end up thick and white batter. Okay, now we're going to be moving on to the frying part. Now we're going to be adding 1 scoop of the batter into a frying pan. When it starts to get bubbles on top, that means you need to flip it. Okay, this side's ready. Not this side. Okay. Now it's got bubbles on top, which means it's ready to flip. Ooh, looking nice. Okay, this is ready. Ooh. Now we're going to be adding another scoop. we've added the last bits of the batter into the pan, and you wait for it to bubble up. Right then, now we're going to be transferring these into a new plate. And my mum, FatimAlieu, has bought me some organic honey right from the bee. Okay, now I'm going to be adding 1 spoon of honey, and I'm going to be putting it all around. And here we have it, our lovely pancakes from the youngest in charge. Please like, subscribe and share to never miss out on content, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.